Hey guys, Jesse with Prehistoric South here. We are here in the beautiful, tranquil Peace River here in Florida, and the Peace River is known in this section as the Bone Valley, and we are finding a lot of different chunks of fossilized bone and shark's teeth, and I'll show you what we're going to be going for here. You can see there's an assortment of rib bones from marine mammals like a porpoise type creature, lots of shark teeth down in this side. So I'm going to show you how we do this and what we're doing when we do it. So this is a sifter which I made. It has a 1/8 grate for sifting out the sediments in the riverbank, and we have our shovel for excavating. So I'm going to go in, and as I go in, I know this spot's safe already, but I am going to be very cautious of any alligators or snakes or anything in the area, so always be cautious of your environment because we are in Florida. I'm actually going to leave this at the bank so it doesn't float away. Alright? And I'm feeling with my feet right now, I'm feeling the gravel, and it's going to be an assortment of rock and bone, fossilized bone. You may be able to hear the crunch. I'm going to dig down into that layer, and I'm going to pull up quickly at an angle. That way the current doesn't take my bones away. I'm going to do one more scoop, and I'm going to try to go back into that same hole. So I've located the hole, and I'm going to grind down into it. We'll just do 2 scoops for now. Now, you've got your sediment and your gravel in here, but you don't know what's there yet. So, give it a little shift and a shake. And then, things will start to be revealed to you. So this may just look like a mass bundle of rock, and it's irrelevant. But, right here, this is a piece of fossilized bone. It's very hard to tell what it is. It could be something like a manatee, or known as a dugong, which is a prehistoric manatee. Could be a whale fragment, could be dolphin, it could be from an ice age mammal, like a mammoth, or a smilodon, or giant cave bear. Could be anything. There's a lot in this river, so we'll set that to the side. We have another piece of fossilized bone. Again, this is similar, this may be dugong, which is like the prehistoric manatee. You can kind of set them to the side. Give a little shake to expose more. And sometimes you only get 2 things in your load. Here's another little piece of fossilized bone. And if you can see it, there is a little bit of, there's some pores and dots in there, and that's how you tell that it's bone. Got another piece of bone here. Nice flat edge. So, just a quick example of how you can use a sifter and a shovel and some knowledge to go ahead and pull fossils out of the river. So we'll catch you on the next one, and that's all for now. See you next time.